Good morning. Well, today is Tuesday the 2nd of April and we're going to go on a little trip. But first, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, then please do check out some of my other content. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so we've just arrived at Phuket International Airport. I'm now going to make my way to the international departure area. Okay, so this is the international departures area where you're going to check in, coming to the airport, and on your way out of Phuket. I've now got to go and find where the Air Asia part is, because that's who I'm flying with today. Air Asia, we're flying at 12 o'clock. There we go. So we're in section D, AK 833. So section D down there. Good morning. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, let's go through passport control. Okay, so we are now in the departure area. Just passed through passport control, immigration, no problems there really, and quite quick with the security scan. Only took a few minutes to get through there. And this is the new Departure Lounge. So as you can see, there's a few shops. I've got a few hours to kill, so I'm going to have a wander around and take a look at the shops. But there are some shops. It's not massive, the Departure Lounge. I can see there's a Boots upstairs. So this is my first flight out of Thailand since before COVID. So 4 years, I think it's been 4 or 5 years since I've flown out to Thailand. I think the last time was when I went to Vietnam, Hanoi in Vietnam. I'm going to grab myself a coffee and something to eat. It's busy down here.
They're not commonly served in Shanghai.
Is there a Subway there? Maybe I'll have a Subway. A sandwich. Have a wander around. Now do bear in mind, airports, as you probably are aware, are a little bit more expensive for food and drink. So if you can, try not to buy too much in here.
Salon Portrait Passenger Mary Percasel Passport now escape travel Body and hair to function Think and heart to function
As you can see today, the airport is very busy. Airport prices. So what do you think to the International Departure Lounge? Not massive, but there are a few shops to keep you busy for an hour or so. Have a wander around, purchase some duty free, some drinks, cigarettes, etc. Whatever takes your fancy. So there you go, the inside of the departure area at Phuket International Airport, and I will be covering the arrivals area when I come back. So I'll speak to you shortly. Got a car?